Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove ESP and sound roller button on Audi A4 B6 and B7 and Seat Exeo in just 6 simple steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. First step is to remove the CD radio or the Seat navigation head unit using the radio removal key tools kit. You can find trim removal key tools kit like this in the video description below. So we will use one of these tools. So first remove the plastic part from the upper side using a trim tool. So you can see you have to pull it towards you to remove it, and use a trim tool because you will not scratch the surfaces. Then use a flat blade screwdriver to press on those two tabs from the square holes and then pull the buttons out. You can open the storage box to pull it more easier. So then press on those tabs and then pry it out, and that's it. So on this type of buttons you just have to press on those two tabs. It's similar with that one that I showed you earlier. So remove it. If you can see, there's those two tabs on the sides. Then disconnect the cables from the back. You just have to press on that tab to remove the harness. If you cannot remove it like that, you just have to pry the button out and then disconnect the cables from the back. There's two tabs on that button that hold it in. Then remove the cables more easier. You can see you have to press on that tab to remove it. You can find ESP and sound roller control buttons at the best price in the video description below. Also, you can remove the other button, the sound roller button. You have to press on that tab to remove the cables, or you can pry it out and then disconnect the cables from the back. Then after you buy those two buttons, you can connect the cables from the back, install the buttons on the plastic, place the plastic part back, and then install the Seat navigation unit. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.